Bajan fish cakes, golden, crispy, and full of flavor, are a street food classic in Barbados. They are more than just a bite. They are a taste of Bajan tradition. In colonial times, salt fish, especially salted cod, was a common food source for slaves. Enslaved Africans in Barbados created unique dishes from this basic ingredient, turning it into something both practical and delicious. By mixing salted fish with flour, local herbs, and spices, and frying it in hot oil, they formed a new dish. Over time, this became the famous fish cake, soft on the inside, crisp on the outside, and bursting with bold, salty flavor. Making fish cakes is both an art and a tradition. It starts with fresh, seasoned saltfish that's soaked and boiled to remove excess salt. The next step is flaking and mixing it with flour, baking powder, and water to create the batter. The final touch is the seasoning. Finely chopped onions, scallions, fresh thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper, just to name a few, give the cakes that signature Bajan kick. Some cooks even add mustard or a spoon of homemade Bajan seasoning for extra depth and personalization. Once the batter is prepared, it's spooned into hot oil and fried until golden brown. The outside crisps up beautifully, while the inside remains tender and mild. Each bite delivers a blend of salt, spice, and herbs that feels like comfort. If you're in Barbados, fish cakes can be found in street vendors, food stalls, rum shops, and even community events. They're enjoyed in the morning, lunchtime, and any time of the day. Fish cakes are also part of celebrations and family tradition. Many people grew up eating them from their grandmother or buying them from the same street vendor for years. They're a food of memory and comfort. Nowadays, Bajan chefs are reimagining fish cakes with many versions, pairing them with pickled vegetables, using different proteins, and even plant-based ingredients. From fine dining to beach picnics, fish cakes continue to evolve. In conclusion, fish cakes are more than just a humble snack. They are a symbol of Bajan pride, creativity, and a love for cooking from the heart. So next time you take a bite, remember you're not just eating a food. You're tasting history, culture, and a whole lot of flavor. Thanks for watching.